This is the other freight elevator, buildings 1, 2, 4, and 9 at Canal Pl in downtown Akron, Ohio. This is also a Montgomery with either Payne or Montgomery fixtures I've not seen before. Power pillars. This one is a new inner gate, and this one is a much larger motor. I believe the basement is locked. Basement's locked. 6. Oh, 6 is locked on this one. 5. Here we go. I think the controller might have been replaced. I think it said controller replaced on record 2015 980 phone. It's a basic old freight elevator cab. I think this was actually a manual freight elevator. I think there was a manual freight elevator next to this one and next to the other one that I filmed here back at 1. Close it out. Out there is a Montgomery indicator. This is what it's going to be.